Welcome to Remote Pilot Accelerator. Captain 107 here, ready to help you pass your FAA Part 107 exam with confidence. Today we're covering the most important acronyms you need to know for the test. These acronyms help you make smart decisions and stay safe as a remote pilot. Mastering them is key to passing the Part 107 and becoming a professional drone operator. Let's start with ADM. ADM stands for Aeronautical Decision Making. This is the systematic process pilots use to make good decisions in the air. The FAA wants you to understand that good ADM means identifying potential problems early and choosing the safest option. On the exam, you may see questions asking how ADM helps you avoid risky situations or when you should decide to cancel a flight. Next is CRM, which stands for Crew Resource Management. Even though you are usually flying solo as a drone pilot, you still use CRM principles. CRM is all about using all available resources effectively, including people, information, and equipment. This includes communicating clearly with others on the ground, using your visual observer if you have one, and managing your technology like your controller and apps. The FAA tests how you apply CRM to reduce errors and improve safety. One of the most important acronyms for the Part 107 exam is PAVE. PAVE stands for Pilot, Aircraft, Environment, and External Pressures. This is a checklist you should run before every flight. Under Pilot, you check your own fitness using IMSAFE. Aircraft means making sure your drone is in good condition and properly registered. Environment covers weather, airspace, and terrain. External pressures are things like time constraints, clients wanting quick shots, or peer pressure. The FAA loves testing PAVE because it shows you think like a professional pilot. Let's break down IMSAFE. IMSAFE is your personal checklist for determining if you are fit to fly. I stands for illness. Are you sick or recovering? M is medication. Are you taking anything that could affect your judgment? S is stress. Are you dealing with high stress in your life? O is alcohol. Have you had any alcohol in the last 8 to 24 hours? F is fatigue. Are you well rested? And E is emotion. Are you upset or distracted? If you fail any part of IMSAFE, you should not fly. Another critical acronym is DECIDE. DECIDE is a step-by-step model for making good decisions when something goes wrong. D is detect that a change has occurred. E is estimate the need to react. C is choose a desirable outcome. I is identify possible actions. D is do the best action, and E is evaluate the effect of your action. The FAA includes decide questions to see if you know how to respond to in-flight problems like lost link, flyaways, or changing weather. These acronyms work together. You use PAVE and IMSAFE during pre-flight planning. You use ADM and CRM during the flight. And when something unexpected happens, you use DECIDE to respond safely. The Part 107 exam will test your understanding of these concepts through scenario-based questions. Right now, pause the video and download the free Part 107 acronyms cheat sheet I created for you. It has all these acronyms with full explanations, examples, and memory tips. The link is in the description below. Download it and review it regularly. We're at the midpoint. Let me give you the real talk, Captain 107 style. Many students try to memorize answers without understanding these acronyms. That's a big mistake. The FAA writes questions that test how you actually apply these principles in real situations. Take time to understand each letter and practice using them. Students who master ADM, PAVE, and IMSAFE almost always score higher on the test. Let's review a few more examples. Imagine you have a client pressuring you to fly in marginal weather. Using PAVE, you identify external pressure and poor environment. Using IMSAFE, you check if fatigue is affecting you. Using ADM, you decide it's safer to reschedule. This is exactly what the FAA wants to see. Knowing these acronyms doesn't just help you pass the test. They become habits that keep you safe and professional once you start taking real paid jobs. Professional drone pilots use these tools every single flight. In the comments, tell Captain 107 which acronym is most confusing for you, or share a scenario where you would use one of these. I read every comment and will answer. If you want the complete system with practice questions, full explanations, and everything else you need to pass the Part 107 exam, check out the Remote Pilot Accelerator course in the description. Thank you for watching this important acronyms deep dive with Captain 107. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next lesson. Fly safe, study smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep accelerating.